Guys, we are on day 5 looking at interior pages for our manuscript for the KDP books in the 10 books in 10 days class. This is a short video showing you what the template looks like for the 6x9, any of the templates that are with content in them. Okay, these are not the blank templates. This is the template that has content, sample content inside. For the journals that we're doing, we're not going to be using this template, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is something you would use for a book that you're writing or have content that has chapters or sections into it, or you could use a blank template, which will be the next video that you'll get. So I just wanted to show this to you. I downloaded the 6x9 and the 8.5x11 looks the same. The different sizes look the same. They have this content already in them. Here's the thing though. You want to, there's 38 pages, okay? You want to make sure that you replace all the content. You do not want your book published with it saying, okay, I did this once with one of my proofs. Didn't get caught. I'll show you. Here, your headers. I think one of my books, it either said author name still or it still said book title. It didn't actually have my name and it didn't actually have the book title. And that somehow got past reviews. A lot of times they catch those mistakes, but you really want to make sure that you're replacing all the content. So, and you can change these up, but notice, I don't know if you can see over here, let me see if I can make this, come on, there. Oh, I thought this would be bigger. All right, so actually if I go this route, maybe we can see them side by side. One thing you might notice is, okay, I can't figure out how to do this right now, so I'm going to just let it go. I wanted to show you how the pages are offset. Maybe you can see it here. And when I get to the content pages, like the chapter. So here we go. Okay, so on chapter 1, you can see this margin is smaller than this side. And then the next page, this margin's smaller than this side. That's why I like their templates, because all of that is set up. It alternates between the two pages, the two sides, okay? So you can take out, if you're doing this, you can put in your book title here if you're using this one. However you want to do this, okay? You just replace that content. So down here where it asks for the ISBN, remember we set up our ISBN, that's where you would copy it. You can get rid of this one. I think it just gives, I don't remember if it's a 13-digit or not that they give you. Change your copyright, put your author name, just change the year so it's current. If you don't want a dedication, that's fine. You can delete that, but remember what you're doing is you might mess up the flow of the pages. So the way it is right now, this is, you open up the cover and you see the title page. On the back of the title page is this next page, okay? Then your next right page, once you turn the page, you're gonna see this on the back of the left and your dedication on the right one. So if you delete this page, then you're going to have a blank page on the right side. Does that make sense? So you want to be thinking this through. And then your table of contents will be, once you flip the page, it'll be on the left side. So they're going to, if you delete one page in it, it's going to move everything up a page and it might end up being on the wrong side. This was a huge headache for me when I was doing my Haywire Christmas, was it that one? I don't know, one of the books that I did, because it kept, I would change it and it would put the chapter starting on the left side of the book instead of on the right side. And I think all chapters should start on that right side. So just know about that, know to pay attention to that. If you outsource it, make sure that as you're editing and that you give them that instruction that you want every chapter to start on the right side. Those types of things you need to be aware of. Okay, but for what we're doing, we're just doing journals. You can take out the table of contents if it doesn't make sense. If you are doing a cookbook, I highly recommend you keep it and categorize your recipes by section or by category of the type of recipe that it is, and whether or not you want acknowledgments, fine, take that out, but take the page after it out too. And then here you literally just change the text, but make sure you change it all. You don't want to have changed some of this and then on the next page you left it and it just says insert chapter 1 text here. Okay. And then go down, you can just keep going through, but make sure you're counting your pages if you're doing this so that when chapter 2 comes on, it's again on the right side. Okay, you might have to add a blank page. You just need to make sure you're paying attention to that. I hope that's making sense. So get all your content in here, then you would go and save it as a PDF and then upload that PDF into the manuscript where it says to upload your manuscript on kdp.amazon.com in your account for the book. Okay, so this is a video showing you what the template looks like with content already in it that you would edit out. This is not what we're using for the journals. Okay, next video is going to show you their one-page basic blank template. So, and that's what we're going to use, and I will show you how we're going to make the lines and give you some tips there. All right, see you in a minute.